too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
For me, I should for me. My Obibia Aqua Bashunko, Ediba Too Much GH. And then so, when you about Musun for Messi, Carna, then someone I circulate to on my mobile so money for a cozy show base a year bulldog and look in the car and then same people in a airport pay up. Now, yeah, Cassayin so a year arrest a year BNI a day Emma a year bulldog Amagana for the knowledge of my dream chile. Now, activists our National Democratic Congress and it didn't ya yura kwaku wono so den sembi aba betuja na ni nsem o de betuja ni say Ghana state security for no mo ye discrimination papa e was civilians any lawmakers ni tem na nya wo gina so kora wo de kan nsem say mi na sentem nsem bi ana ekwaso market na ehihye na Honorable Kennedy Japan or member of parliament for Asin Central they say be betu ja na chese yin na video na circulate to me say threaten papa na ni nsem a course wo video ni mu say former president John Dramani Mahama say market na shishi na stop e to entwa e won biaye dia no no ni fie wotimo no say so mbeba be shi ni fie ni na enu na wo gina so ka say ko ba ne san na state security for wo mo wani BNI for when he found and the young woman say, why to me a concoction next to a bad bulldog dear, and no more say threatening be a pursuit move to me a resting for Mammy Fassan our canning ceremony and to Japan. The Ayuakwaku noted on his Facebook page that the conduct and trade by the Asin Central Legislature is no different from what Bulldog did last Saturday on the United Show page on UTV. He argued that the BNI need not be reminded of the consequences of their biased treatment melted out at the artist manager Bulldog. He laments the evidence of the threat by the Kennedy Japan on the former president John Dramani Mahama is easily accessible to the security to cause the arrest of the lawmaker. To him, it's unfair on the part of the BNI to get selective in enforcing order, a situation he feared could birth some undesirable circumstances in the nation. For say no be on say dey ka koni there ya hwe ya na chese nia e ba besi wo man de yentumi enka na ni na mu nsem nkyeremu wo mtwa ma wa ba na me de aba beso no for me ma obibia akwa abasronko na nsem timensa ka minia be ma me ni betwetwen enkomo e de afa mo Obofo Michael.
Yes.
Obofo Bakope. Muna mukọ information.
Oh, not that.
Me ma wakaba.
Yeah.
Say we be I find.
Yeah, me cool.
With you so dey fatal.
Yes. You
Oh, okay. And then advert view. Na me nia be ma wo hwe nsem bia. We need to move you in detail. And then obetumi aka dia fam.
The woman in say no credit ni Kenya but ba ko pe na o hwe communicate na NDC activist no e ba Pontina. He was right on to some extent because you see the go back on a day I will buy. This has been allegations previous governments a year NPP time ana NDC war akonya so na headed by the late former president John Fifi, if you are John Dramani Mahama, and the fact people were saying they were using their power to bully some people, and and no and prepare. This time also so MPP war power NDC also feel say the omo yellow and I said the party yellow or more infringing on people's rights and I thought baby tell me case for baby me have been for baby so because the brody can back what they be buy but we are here to condemn all these things.
Okay.
We all say asem sia there was here to say I give we is na na say now good dog asem na o kan all say investigations are say BNI for ma be invited based on investigations in Arabic yen ko jeri no.
Okay.
You get it and yet statement you bet me jeri no though we tie charger no more kana it say obi a which be cool grabber and a very huge offense but to the extent say obi kasa sometimes running mono it measure who the pakon how influence how powerful you are and a shosho and the every and someone walk to say obi a journalist who told our Ukraine very powerful because you use the media cut across everything. And he said, oh, Kasana, a media person. And said, oh, Kasana, radio so and TV show. The way the content.
Yeah, equate you.
Yes.
Equate.
One, you share the platform now, Kasana.
We did not so Kasana.
You share who you palm personality and some judges really comment. And you say, no, Biana, which way the money overcall, you bet me a walk free. But that same statement will bet me a quack for them 10 years because of the gravity of assembly. But the fact of the whole matter is, Yakwa say, Ghana and Kofubi the politicians. And Kofubi the politicians, say, Assembly, you name say you Krum Hammer. Kofobi, I can say be a brave yama, a cobebia. You say more intriguing more than Sassana, a catchy kind. And Nippon short cancer, Nippon more powerful than Sally Power cancer.
So, dear mammy, sis would be an activist. You are need some crowd, Jinas to say, yeah, honorable dinner, honorable Kennedy Japan, a year member of parliament for 16th century, maybe a tremor. Or be making a year comment a year former president, a year former president John Dramani Mahama. Say a year market, she exactly because no one protested demonstrating because of his declaration by a young day. Then no Jinas to say a year on a big Jina TV, so don't say that the voice quite today. Yeah, come boom, bra, almost sham by your come be the voice quite and not yet. Also to say BNI for one, I can't find out question. But they say now so a year bulldog, you know, or say a cheat, or say a civilians, you know, they don't have a say.
On say.
Sanya will see like now we see so bad. I say Jini Bonona.
No, you see, the tell me person the body say obvious. Say the make I know what I'm saying. Say may cast and we wait to say honorable Kennedy upon court. What can say me? But will be sure or factor another member of parliament. So I can say be another party few say and not see more intriguing than the honorable Kennedy upon it. May my open. I mean if she can say you call archives more near cohen someone who will be a car. A whole lot. That is what I want to establish. A whole to be present messenger. As in we cry, honorable Kennedy Japan because a croffer can say my bro honorable Kennedy Japan.
Okay.
You get it?
Okay.
But they tell you say, a yana a yasa we yet me. She said, ye mubi. Ya ko cancer. You say ye chini be. Yemu masem ne
And so wanu na eyi wuka.
Wanu akoyi.
Wanu na eyi wuka.
And na e ha adwen say bisa etimisi.
Ole ma mi chi bi hu say Ghana ye wo problem.
Na
ye wo problem because the intima makers and say we be atwem as ye abuse freedom. Into about democracy so and share na nye ejuma sa because we be atwem ye share coronavirus we president our tiso ogusu tiso the betu just say obeboa ye mbofra wo koda school bu wa chom exams na te say ye be mo aduane free mbofra ba out be didi atem poto exams we mu so mbofra be didi atem poto ye mpeni fo ya kasa so timi kwatena be bia interview so enye fa atem poto na nini na echi nso no akoba se wo nso se na wo si ka no koka wo a wo nso no wo di ni eyi mu mbre mu je se wo bibie mu nka wo koka no wanka ni ye nso so ana che se ye bia na ibechew ni ade eno na me pese ye gina so ni hu se
no kure wo me say
enye ya abuse freedom yes yes and say bi atimemu for yes ye hu ya no ye ka because if we say democracy until we can talk anyhow obia to me kasa anyhow enu nti na ma eye mba no so ti me chichi eye dodro na
democracy the will of the people and ye dey adwuma o kan wadwe am suma kan wadwe na endo wo doorstep now so dia endo wo me doorstep dey koyeni ye dem ramo aka ho bi
never na chichi
na mrano no mrano na ebe kire say me doorstep ni so doorstep ni yakoyeni to be wo ho kwa so ye do so timi and you don't go beyond. You see, you have every right to criticize what the government is doing. Or every right. So we to criticize what the government is doing. But you don't go overboard. And no. But I mean, one thing that we want to say, Ghana, we have free. Now, dominate there is determined by people. Yes. Dominate there is being determined by some people. Oh, order of the day. Because I'm sure the SEC. No, we heard the SEC previously. I am say, Emrano and freedom. No, you could forbid the way to do freedom about.
Sir?
Yes. Freedom your war.
Say now we see come and person we say then we above the law because embrace.
Oh, above the law. Above the law, your local laws. Your local laws, your district laws, your constituency laws, your house laws, and your supreme laws, your high laws.
No correct. Laws need everything.
Laws in the doors. It is depending baby. I don't know what I say. You bet you say if you are Amran, which me I can go for free. But same baby as I and who be no harm. Maybe I meet me go in the fee. You get it? And she said, oh, can emra to me asia. It's been determined by some people.
But then I mean Gina said I will see Kano. Say determined by some people. That means democracy is not working.
Are you enjoying democracy? Are you enjoying democracy?
Don't say.
Are you enjoying
democracy? Or back door. Democracy.
Oh, let's be frank with ourselves. A democracy.
As for me, I'm enjoying democracy.
Who enjoy democracy? Yeah.
Democracy. Person who says democracy. Juma. Since I was sick, I'm just saying democracy. Mbobra.
Odohe.
Ewa Ghana ha.
Jetieni say Ghana obi obeka say mrani Ghana bia kwa. Emra wa Ghana ha won mame. Ti ye kire mrani mu a. Se o tifie ne ye de court summons. Aba be fa ofie. Mimi efie da awia. Na enjoy a holiday court betina si ukuada na wo say Ghana
when I don't say I chechire papa
waso aye she papa enya bi ko she kataba kwa eduro bi anka de eno ni secret wo me what I will plead me say the institutions should work say mraye adwuma na institutions here adwuma. You know, bulldog issue here. Me, it's alleged. Martin say enye BNI for ankasa and ko fa abudo.
And no, what
I
know is.
And I'm saying to me best of
okay.
Me.
Okay.
Me. I'm responsible for what I'm saying.
Okay.
Me say it's alleged say enye BNI and the others copy Bulldog from the office of the president. That is
From
what
the
I
office.
yes,
of the
alleged. It's alleged. Say, omo kofa Bulldog, omo free Flagstaff.
And it's for saying in your bemano, can nsem na send a city be so update be a found no ye be you be two ja na ye quiet them so ye di wie person who say Ghana ha we say question be ba question one say man no say democracy ye ejuma
O democracy ye ejuma e wo krofo bi eso.
na democracy esi ye ejuma wo ebi mo so na ye ejuma wo ebi mo so
See that democracy dey kan was.
what can is na che say embra
Kebma mi kebi abo.
Every woman you so no and said that near Jumasa. Because me tell customer now say a week. The coin bears soon
So who took coin out? So who took coin?
Implementation was gonna hire week.
So who took coin e kwa buchi. Me tie me took coin pay. Me hu how you can democracy. Timemufo enjoy democracy. Ghana yesua.
Nigeria na waka nisa.
Yes, you know. I'm telling you, let's be honest with ourselves. Let's be honest. Yes, young.
Yes, democracy.
Oh, US for a party democracy, you know.
It is just they see kwem
Yeah, democracy there na dia mai.
Yeah, see kwem ye.
The democracy timi ya
Hey,
say.
Ghana has
It 4
democracy
years
yeah,
ya so ya to apa. That is the democratic governance that we have.
Just about one pen exercise here, you expect democracy aside that no.
Democracy
But the person will see a year where they can say yeah Ghana laws no a weak or that no. The person ultimately change mu kaka de nti a wo ka say see make sure say enforce law no. Na kind of implementation is weak no.
Me.
But so kaka na
The message say see a person democracy in we should insist on our institutions to work. Say, or my way, if say, you say you're not police service, I hear Juma independently, so that Uncle Bulldog has some more kind. I can unfist you home pay. That is the system I'm talking about.
Oh, okay.
Unfree home pay because it was a live video.
Sure.
Can you see no? Na ya share official statement.
The amount.
Near their married their bro. Sweet. Hi, Bulldog. From the office of the BNI. We wish to invite you based on the comments that you made on a live presentation on United Television.
But say all my year. Into where all my year no.
See that? We all mind you a year. Ekofobia do man gu so na Bulldog asem o kan ye no e na achega ekofobia e ye kofo ye say ye bibi man ye hu say aye bibi
just say Ghana ye fa nyoma ye man nyoma implementation ye juma enforcement
e ba ye media for na so mu ana ma Bulldog ye kenya asem yes
and ye Ghana see a cage no ye ejuma wa ye ho
ejuma de yes US US for ti
ejuma wa ye ho pa
US for ti
na dia na wo ka che Ghana of how final words to Ghana in some way cuz e better now there na so if you akọ
all right me last words I make can say ye man brand ejuma let us allow the system to work and man will be in front of personal feelings and for pretty
my fa ebia and ye begin your feelings, you been fine, and ye bias, the discrimination, about to the name of Yema and brand new to my locality in your tumor. Hey, and
show the show.
You were to my
if you shall say that can say. Me a famous media dancer, media dancing.
That's it. Because of what bulldog can, you know. Because immediately, no, you now say you are threatened.
Yes.
Yeah, it was clear.
Yes.
Or you know, free, crack. It took me say bulldog again, so yeah, call far, me near bed,
far the oku.
I know the one said they insist so.
Far the oku. Far no call you na. Oku bi no kire say. Nese mo anka ni. Me e wonu gina. Waka o cheche ni se mu wie ya. Kema mu so call far na so call far. That's my statement.
In some year cassette for I pin so ye be cheche mu de ye nya sorry free her na se na siti am gidi say nche mu kakra e dia ba betu dwe wo so wo ehu adwenche je wa dwenche eti your comment section wo fa me after subscribe to Too Much GH if you dey kase di jumedi bia Too Much se ne be ya wo so sabe tunya ke no eti nya kire wa dwen amunu mu wa na wo like share promote e channel way anything so mu nua ba Mexican na me dey nsem yi be so mu na eti for before me man be sikwa won jume kwa one more sorry as Mama Julie Adventures of our person who kitchen away and you can now stress your dear will be out there. One more dear from Mama Julie's number of wow, I'm much I say, who fear a war. I am lovely. I think so long master. Emma long within 24 hours. Near Munyan is on your government to work on our for the ability to wow. But when you're urgent money for urgent projects, no more rating this with the that for Mukra. Never for aha and then run the quite am doing with that's name. The restaurant Asia Macam.